Welcome to the class, students. So the last classes we have discussed about the final phase of Mahatma Gandhi, in which we have discussed that how Mahatma Gandhi led for national movement. In this phase we will discuss about the non-cooperation movement. Okay, we will discuss about what is the non-cooperation movement. Briefly we will discuss. In the last class just we have discussed about positive as well as negative program which was started by Congress, in which we have mainly focused upon positive steps. So in this point we will briefly discuss about non-cooperation movement. Okay, now children, come to the point. This non-cooperation means not cooperating with British. So Mahatma Gandhi have started this movement not to cooperate with British. Why? Because during that time Britishers were also not cooperated with the Indian people. This movement was mainly started because two reasons. First reason is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So this movement was mainly started because of Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and next one, this movement was started because of Rowlatt Act. And this movement was also started because of Khilafat movement. So these are the three reasons which are responsible for the Mahatma Gandhi to go for the non-cooperation movement. So already we have discussed that this movement which was started by Mahatma Gandhi, he asked the Indian people not to cooperate with British, because during that time Britishers were also not cooperating with Indian. During that time the Britishers have imposed Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act is nothing but, according to this act, if any Britishers officers feel that if these people are terrorists without having any reason, so they have right to arrest the particular person without having any reason. So this act is giving more power to the police force. So they can act and they can arrest any person whom they feel that they are terrorist. Okay, so that is one point. So during that time this act was implemented. Okay, and this act was implemented by Sir Rowlatt, and that's why this act is called Rowlatt Act. And after implementing this act, they have arrested in Punjab Saifuddin Kichlu. Two important persons in Punjab freedom fighters were arrested without any reasons. So all the people in Punjab, in Amritsar, they have gathered in a park which is called Jallianwala Bagh. Bagh in the sense what? Bagh is nothing but a park. So in which all the people garden. In the garden, all the people have arranged. All the people were gathered. Okay, for protest of this act, Rowlatt Act, because according to this act they have arrested two important leaders of Punjab. Okay, so Saifuddin Kichlu and one more person were arrested, and all the people they were arrested by the British authority. So here in Punjab all the people have contested a movement. This movement was quite peaceful, but during that movement the Britishers came there suddenly and they have opened a fire upon the people and killing thousands of people were injured. Okay, many people were killed and many people were injured. So this is one point. So because of this thing which completely shocked the nation, Jallianwala Bagh, Rowlatt Act and Khilafat movement which was started. Okay, these are the mainly responsible for non-cooperation movement, and that's why Mahatma Gandhi have asked the people of India that if the Britishers are not cooperating with the people, how the people should cooperate with British, and that's why he started a movement, non-cooperation movement. Now in this movement, if you take, Mahatma Gandhi got a great support. He was greatly supported by Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai has given a great support to Mahatma Gandhi during that time. Okay, he is the leader of extremists, and Indian National Congress Party have greatly supported the role of Mahatma Gandhi. That is the first major movement which was started by Mahatma Gandhi, which is called as non-cooperation movement. This is the first important movement. Okay, which this non-cooperation movement is the first movement which was started by Mahatma Gandhi. Now in this movement we will discuss about some of the positive and negative program which was started by the Congress. So when this movement was started, non-cooperation movement, Mahatma Gandhi have asked all the people to go with a non-violent method. Okay, but unfortunately this movement has turned towards violent method by incident which is called Chauri Chaura incident. Okay, Chauri Chaura. Okay, so this incident, because of this incident, non-cooperation movement, first it is going smoothly with a non-violent method, but after this incident in Uttar Pradesh, this movement have turned towards violent method. And now we'll go forward. Mahatma Gandhi decided to call off this movement. Okay, and he made a fast of 5 days. But in this movement we will discuss about what are the positive and negative programs which were mainly started by Congress. Congress leaders have started some positive steps on the way of Mahatma Gandhi. First one is using Swadeshi goods. Children, already we know that extremist leaders were also started a movement which is called Swadeshi movement. Even Mahatma Gandhi also given importance to the Swadeshi goods only, boycotting British goods and using self-made goods or Indian goods. And during this movement, many Congress leaders, what they have decided, 1 crore funds should be distributed on non-cooperative activities. Cooperative sectors are very important for the development of village. So during that time, funds, how it will raise the funds? By collecting money by themselves. So Congress peoples, what they'll do, they'll collect the money among the people of the country and they will generate funds. So they have generated 1 crore of rupees funds, the Congress party, and this fund they have developed upon non-cooperative activities. Okay. During that time, Mahatma Gandhi decided that Congress legislative body should be appointed and British's body should be replaced. British legislative body should replace. During that time, the Congress peoples, they have set up the Congress legislative body. So Congress have thought that to replace, they should set up the Congress legislative body by replacing the British legislative body. So when they are boycotting the Swadeshi good, they should boycott the British Parliament also. And to 20 lakhs of charkas were distributed for the unemployment people. So unemployment peoples, they have distributed 20 lakhs of charkas. So this is the important part, and this is the positive part of the non-cooperation movement. What are that? Using the Swadeshi goods, and funds should raise 1 crore of funds should be utilized upon the non-cooperative activities, establishment of Congress legislature and replacing the British legislature and British officers, and 20 lakhs of charka should make and should be distributed to unemployment people. During that time, charkas is the symbol of independent movement. Okay, first if you see, the charkas were considered as a symbol, one of the symbol of independent movement. Now I will go forward, second one. What are the negative point is, most of the people have boycotted the British goods. Okay, in non-cooperation movement, people have boycotted the British goods and British made goods. This is one negative program. Most of the people have not participated in the meeting which were conducted by the British authority. British authority have conducted many meetings. In that they wanted all the Congress people should also participate. But during that time, no congressmen have participated in the meeting which were conducted by the British authority. And declaiming, most of the people have denied title and offices. Okay, offices they have completely denied, such as Mahatma Gandhi himself have denied his title Kesari-Hind, and Rabindranath Tagore have demanded knighthood title which was given to Rabindranath Tagore. So Kesari-Hind and knighthood which was given to Mahatma Gandhi Kesari-Hind, and Rabindranath Tagore was given to knighthood award. So they have denounced that title. Most of the people from India during non-cooperation movement membership, most of the people have refused the membership from the local bodies also. So they have resigned from the membership of local body. Already Britishers have introduced some local bodies, and most of the people who were appointed from these bodies, they have resigned from the local bodies. And most of the people started not participating in elections in Legislative Council. We know children's Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council. Okay, so that is now we have Vidhan Sabha, Vidhan Parishad. So how we have Vidhan Sabha? Vidhan Sabha is a legislative assembly, Vidhan Parishad is a legislative council. During that time, Britishers have appointed legislative council. So in that elections will be conducted. So most of the people have not participated in the elections which are conducted in legislative council. So children, we have discussed about here in this topic, we have discussed about various programs which are adopted by the non-cooperation movement. So first we have discussed that this movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi, and he asked all the people not to cooperate with Britishers in 1922, this movement. And Mahatma Gandhi got full support from all the people, especially he got support from the leaders of extremists like Lala Lajpat Rai, and he got a support from Indian National Congress. And during that time, Mahatma Gandhi was appointed as a leader of Indian National Congress. And here they have some positive and negative program which was started by Congress. We have discussed Swadeshi goods, raising a crores funds of 1 crore rupees, and establishing the Congress legislature and replacing the British one, and 20 lakhs of charkas should be distributed to the unemployment youth. This is one point. A negative program which was started is boycotting the British goods, not participating the meeting which was conducted by any British authority by the party members, and declining office and titles, not going to the British office and de-announcing the titles. And most of the members have resigned as a membership from the local bodies, and most of the people have not participated in the elections which are conducted in Legislative Council. So these are some negative programs, and these are some positive programs which were being carried out in non-cooperation movement. So this is one point. So in this movement we have discussed about non-cooperating, how the people have not cooperated with the Britishers. So they have not cooperated Britishers in the various sectors, schools, colleges, even offices, even titles also, even elections like Legislative Council also, they are not cooperated, and even in the meeting also. So children, so these are the things we have discussed in non-cooperation movement, and also we have discussed why this movement was started. So thank you very much. We will meet you in the next class.